Fil-ġimgħa li s-sok tal-każ il-Qorti bejn in-neputi ta' Mable Strickland u l-Fondazzjoni Strickland iltqajna ma' Robert Strickland Hornyold li għal darb'oħra tkellem dwar kif il-ġrajja li jinsab fiha hija waħda ta' Ħabi u Theddid. Strickland jallega li lura fis-snin 70 it-testament ta' Titu kien inbidel u li jistgħu jitfgħu dawl fuq dan dokumenti li jinsabu fil-possess tal-Fondazzjoni Strickland u tal-familja De Marco.
Which to me is perhaps the most important, is for them to order the release of all my aunt's legal files, administration files and family papers, which have been taken by the executors and others. And they belong to me, but they've been taken away. So that doesn't make anything very fair in the courts.
Jispjega kif l-eżekuturi tat-testament ta' Strickland kienu l-professur Joseph Ganado u Guido De Marco li eventwalment daħlu lil uliedhom fil-fondazzjoni. Mario De Marco xed fil-Qorti din il-ġimgħa fejn ikkonferma kif id-dokumenti li Robert Strickland jemmen li jistgħu jitfgħu dawl fuq il-każ qegħdin għand ommu u ma jridx jippubblikhom. Iżda kif spiċċaw għandhom?
It's a very good question. They took them. Max Ganado's father was the executor and looked after all the executors' files. When he died, those files should have been passed to me as the next executor or the person put in to finish the executive job. He refuses to pass them over. He has spent a year redacting them and pulling out little bits and pieces which he's prepared to pass on, but the files themselves he won't pass over. I've seen them, but he won't give them to me.
You saw them?
I've seen them in his office. He showed them to me in his office.
But did you read them?
No. But he pointed them out to me.
Strickland Hornyold stqar li ma ħadix b'sorpriża reazzjoni ta' De Marco, jiġifieri dik li ma jippubblikax id-dokumenti, għandu x'jitlef għal in-neputi.
I wasn't surprised, no. I've had dealings with him over the last year and that has been his attitude all along.
Hemm taqti oħra għaddejja dwar Villa Parisio f'Ħallija u dan minħabba klawżola dwar l-użu tagħha. Strickland jgħid li l-fondazzjoni għandha tfittex sit alternattiv, iżda l-fondazzjoni tinsisti li tuża l-villa.
Well, not particularly good, because the council of the foundation has been responsible for a sustained campaign of harassment against us in our own home. You may have noticed the CCTV cameras above us. We've had CCTV cameras watching us in every room in the house, except for our bedroom and the bathroom. Mabel set up the Strickland Foundation for herself and her heirs in perpetuity, and specifically made a provision that the seat of the foundation be relocated to any other place in Malta. But the administrators refused to do that. And that would obviously allow me and my family to live peacefully in our home, which they don't seem to want to allow us to do.
Il-werriet ewlieni ta' Mable Strickland ilu għal dawn l-aħħar snin jaffaċċja provokazzjonijiet u saħansitra Theddid jgħid li dan għaliex kull ma jriti li x-xewqa ta' Titu li minn dejjem uriet issir realtà.
Provocations continuously from the Strickland Foundation. I could give you examples all over the place, but I won't. But it's all documented and very unpleasant. And yes, we've even had a threatening letter from Mario De Marco on government-headed paper when he was a minister. So that's unpleasant as well. But all we're trying to do is to live in peace in the villa and enjoy what is supposed to be my legitimate rights.